Have you always been fascinated by working in tech, but the thought of writing code really scares you? Well, the good news is you don't have to write code to be in tech. If you're looking to transition or make a career switch into tech, or maybe you're a recent graduate and you're exploring your options, then watch this video till the very end. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 6-figure jobs that do not require you to be a programmer. So grab a piece of paper and a pen and let's dive into number one. The very first role is product management. So product management is an exciting role that allows you to shape the direction of a product without actually becoming a developer. As a product manager, you'll be the driving force behind a product strategy, new features and the roadmap of the product. So your job is really to understand the market, gather customer feedback, and work closely with design and engineering teams to bring a product vision to life. As a product manager, you typically wear multiple hats. Sometimes you work as a strategist, sometimes you work as a project manager, and other times you work as a user advocate. To become a product manager, what you need is a keen understanding of a particular product, whatever product you're interested in, the ability to communicate effectively with technical teams, and strong, problem-solving skills. There are so many product management courses and trainings that you can take on Udemy, Udacity, Coursera, and a lot more learning platforms. So go ahead to check them out to start your product management journey. Product managers are in high demand, and the average salary, according to a recent data, is about $110,000. So if you're someone that has a flair for, comparing different applications, suggesting new features, and improving a product, then product management may just be the best fit for you. Moving on to number two, it is what? Technical writing. Technical writing is a career that a lot of people overlook, but this is actually in high demand, right? A lot of companies are in need of writers that can adequately explain their features, create content, and maintain their documentation. So as a technical writer, your job will be to take all of that complex information your company has and transform it into something that is easy to understand. And to be fair, I would say having a technical background could be helpful on this role, but it is not a requirement for the job. To become a strong technical writer, you need to be able to create clear and concise writing, have a passion for learning new things, and also break down complex concepts into easy to understand language. You also need to be good at researching, because you'll be researching a lot on the job, exploring new products, and creating excellent developer documentation. So to get started as a technical writer, I would suggest that you check out real life examples on the internet. You can take inspiration from articles that are on Hashnode or dev.to to actually polish your own writing skills, and little by little you can start writing and build your own portfolio. Usually technical writers earn somewhere between $60,000 to $150,000 depending on your experience and the company that you work for. So if you're someone that's interested in writing and you have a curiosity for tech, then technical writing may just be the perfect fit for you. Now, if you've liked the first two jobs that I've talked about, just wait till you see the job that is at number 5. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to do without any coding skills. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more videos like this. The third non-coding 6-figure tech job is sales executive manager. So if you're thinking sales, right, isn't that just pushing products on people and forcing it down their throats? Absolutely not. Being a sales executive is all about building lasting relationships and persuading your relationships, people that are in your network to use your products. As a sales executive, you'll be the driving force behind the company's revenue and growth. Your job is to actually identify potential customers, understand their needs, and present your company as a solution that not only meets their needs but also adds value to their businesses as well. So a lot of times as a sales executive, you'll be sending cold emails to your network and even actively using social media to generate leads for your company. Now, once you've identified potential leads for your company, many times you then set up meetings and demo your product to these leads. and then you convert them into paying customers by closing the deal. So if you're coming from a customer service, sales and marketing background, being a sales executive could actually be a great role for you. So let's talk about the money. Sales executives usually have salaries that range from $60,000 to $180,000 or more, depending on your experience, your performance, and the company that you work for. And if you ask me, that is not bad at all. If you ever need tips on how to perfect your resume, land a remote tech job, or a freelance gig, you know where to find me, right here on YouTube. So on to the next job, the fourth non-coding six-figure paying tech job. As a cybersecurity analyst, your job is to monitor networks, monitor systems, identify vulnerabilities, security risks, and any malicious activity like hacking attempts. So you're meant to be steps ahead of the bad guys or the hackers online. So if you don't need a coding background to become a cybersecurity analyst, what exactly do you need? My first advice is to start learning concepts like networking, security. Also go ahead to take certifications like the CISP, which is the Certified Information Systems Security Professional Certificate. And this will go a long way in actually helping you build your foundation as a cybersecurity analyst. The average pay for this role is somewhere between $50,000 to $110,000 or more. So if you're someone that actually loves a good challenge and you're great at problem solving, then cybersecurity analyst may just be the right job for you. Now, this last job is definitely a dream for many. It is called UI UX design. So have you ever used an application on your website and you're thinking to yourself, wow, this is so intuitive and easy to use, or maybe the design looks very beautiful? Well, that's the work of a UI UX designer. As a UI UX designer, you'll be responsible for creating wireframes, creating the visual and interactive elements of digital products, ensuring that it not only looks visually appealing, but it is also user-friendly, right? You'll be designing the layout of websites, the flow of applications, and the overall look and feel of a product. So to become a UI UX designer, you don't necessarily need a formal degree in design. There are a whole lot of successful designers that have learned through online courses, boot camps, and really just learning things on their own. What you need is a keen eye for design, the ability to understand user psychology and think creatively. So go ahead to download design tools like Figma, screenshot your favorite applications and try to redesign their screens. One piece of advice I'll give you is to start copying the designs that you admire and tweak them a little in terms of the colors, their layout, and this will help you build your portfolio. So always practice designs. When you practice these designs and spend time analyzing, critiquing designs on various sites like Behance, Dribble, various design blogs, it will help you identify the designs that look good, understand UI UX principles, and even differentiate good design from bad design. The average salary for UI UX designers can be somewhere between $80,000 to $120,000 per year. UI UX designers are in high demand globally. And so if you're interested in working in tech, but you're not interested in becoming a programmer, then UI UX design may just be the right and perfect job for you. Which of these jobs genuinely interests you? Which of these jobs do you see yourself doing on the long term? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, then feel free to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech career and freelance tips. Till next time, bye.